Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like, share and comment the video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing letter on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select the text sheet by writing, size the letter, font of letter, change the color of letter, select the 3D text, change the color, change the background color, select the color option, select a sticker. Duplicate the sticker. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.